Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will be giving you a full jailbreak tutorial for two devices, the iPod Touch 3rd generation and the iPad 1st generation. I've got both of them here. Here's my iPod 3rd gen. This will be the device I'm actually demoing with. And then I've also got my 1st gen iPad here, which is already jailbroken, and I do not want to restore and demo with it as well because it's got like 10 years worth of software data on it, like all my old game data from when I used this thing years ago. And while I have had to restore it before and restore from an iTunes backup, it just takes a long time. It's a huge pain, just not worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just assume it works because, well, I have seen this tool before being demoed with the 1st gen iPad, so it should work just as well with it. It should work for any iOS 5 device. So yeah, if anyone could verify that it works on their 1st gen iPad in the comments, I will pin your comments, but until then I'm just going to assume it works, and if it ends up not working for that device somehow, I will just update the title and remove it. Simple as that. Anyway, I'll be demoing with my freshly restored 3rd gen iPod Touch. You can see here, completely fresh. Absolutely nothing is on this iPod. Alright. Now, I'm just going to plug it into my computer. This works on Windows 10. I haven't tested on 11 because my only Windows 11 device is a Core 2 Duo laptop. And the fact that it doesn't hit the system requirements means it could cause an issue. I don't know. And most people are probably on Windows 10 for the time being, and I don't think Windows 11 changed enough in the back end to actually break any jailbreak apps. Anyways, we'll be using Absinthe, which is the tool here. It's as simple as it gets. This is going to be such a quick video. There's like barely any fixes that you need to do. Literally just, it says it's detected. You need iTunes installed. I have it down there, you can see. It can be the latest version. You don't have to install an older version like with Red Snow. You don't have to run it in an older OS, also like Red Snow. Red Snow does work to jailbreak iOS 5, but this is just so much easier. Why wouldn't you use it? Plus, it's the original tool by the Chronic Dev team. Anyways, once it says it's detected there, just hit jailbreak. It'll connect. Make sure you're not passcode locked. That could cause issues. And just... it does it. In fact, I'm going to leave this uncut because it's that fast. There we go, got the focus a little better. It's using the green poison exploit or jailbreak or whatever. And yeah, the iPod at this point will say restore in progress and then restore complete. It says, well, I think a second ago it said it's going to act like it's restoring a backup, but it's not. It's just the way it works. It's going to reboot your device. If you're having detection issues or if it's not rebooting, uninstall the Apple mobile device drivers, iTunes, any Apple software, reinstall iTunes, and then try again. Now I'll bring you back to a screen that looks like it's restoring. It's not. Progress bar will go up. You'll hear the charging sound, and then you're in. At this point, any second now, Cydia should show up. It's just waiting for the process to complete. There we go, Cydia's there. I'll wait before trying to open it until Absinthe says we're done, and there we go, done. So now I can unplug, I can launch Cydia. Alright, and now we're preparing file system. In just like 4.5 minutes of me even starting this video, intro included, we are already fully jailbroken. That is how fast and easy this is. Jailbreaking iOS 5 is so easy. Well, this tool looks a lot like P06 Pwn. It is so much more reliable, seemingly. And yeah. It works on my modern gaming laptop just fine, and it should also work on an old Windows 7 or XP laptop just as well. I mean, it is from 2012. And yeah, this screen will probably take longer with Cydia preparing file system than jailbreaking it did, honestly. This can sometimes take upwards of 5 minutes, so I might cut here, but I'll probably be easier in editing if I just keep this one recording. I will give one last demonstration, though, because you might have issues adding certain sources, as well as just browsing the internet in general on this device. It's not related to jailbreaking, it's actually related to a certificate expiring. So I'll give a quick demo on how to fix that bug. It affects iOS 5 through 9 and maybe 10, I believe. So nothing older, nothing newer. And it's pretty easy to fix, so I'm just going to wait until Cydia is done, and then I'll go over that. Alright, we're respringing. Alright, we're back in. So at this point, I'm going to have to connect to Wi-Fi, so I'm going to do that real quick. So freshly restored, I haven't even done that. Alright, now I'm going to go into Safari, and now you're going to want to go to the following URL. Cydia.invoxy play games. Now, oops. It's hard to do this on camera. Cydia.invox. I mean, my tripod's in the way. Invoxy play games as spelled .uk, not .co.uk, just .uk /certificates. Here we go. And I'm going to demo the issue actually in Cydia before we actually fix this, just to show you what kind of issue you might have. I'll just hit developer, why not? Alright, so I'll be back. I do have to update all the packages and stuff, just do your normal Cydia setup. So, yeah. Gotta wait a minute here, so I'll be back in a minute. So, just ignoring any updates for now, I'm going to go and add just a source that will have this problem. Some will, some won't. So, go to I'm just going to add the wynd07.com/r7, which is the Dreamboard repo. And it is going to try to verify and then say the certificate for the server is invalid. You might be connected to a server that is pretending to be, and then that's the site. It's like a proxy repository, it's not to the same link, because that's still the same guy's website. It's just, this is a different, it's hard to explain, but that's just the Dreamboard repository. It's just, you use that URL, but I think the files are hosted on that server. So we're going to go back where we entered this link earlier, and we're going to install this certificate, which expired just a couple months ago. And because Apple's probably not going to come in and update it since they're really old devices, you're going to have issues connecting to HTTPS stuff. Basically, any sites that use the ISRG root X1 certificate will no longer connect securely, so a lot of them won't work. So it's going to say the authenticity can't be verified because it's not coming straight from the original source, because the website doesn't load on old browsers. So IPG, who makes a lot of great tweaks and utilities for these old devices, made basically a mirror on their own site. So we're just going to install it. Profile installed. And you can see even here, it says, like, please link to the original certificate pages and something if helping somebody, and only link to this page if they can't get the original page loaded, because they understand that you shouldn't always trust stuff from unknown websites. But IPG is a trustworthy developer. So now I'm going to relaunch into Cydia. And we're going to go back and try to add that same repository that was giving that error before. Once again, I'm going to ignore that and add wynd07.com/r7. This time, it's going to work. Got some other error there, and it's actually saying it failed to fetch it. Uh-oh. We got further than last time. Hopefully I just need to update Cydia. Is it gonna... Oh no. It did find 23 changes, so let's try to upgrade all these and see if that fixes it. I leave these issues in because you might have them too, so why not? So, I'm gonna cut again. Alright, let's see if that fixed it. Hey, the error about that WYND repository is gone. But let's see, are the packages there? And they are! So you can see now I can install Dreamboard if I want. So, yeah, that is the fix for that. Anyways, that part of the video took up more of a portion than just the jailbreak part, which is funny. Anyways, this should work just as well on iPads and any other iOS 5 device if you have one that's downgraded or just on an older version. That should work, and yeah, thanks for watching. I will see everybody next time. If you have any questions, need help, or if anything isn't working for you, always leave a comment. I respond to all comments asking for help. Even if I can't find a solution, I'll just say, sorry, I don't know how to fix this, just restore and try again. Whatever issue you may have. Thank you all for watching once again, and I have many more tutorials to come. Bye-bye.